Hello everybody again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. I will continue today the validation of the X-ray. I will start by the initial validation. The initial validation will be either once at the beginning of the implementation of this HACCP or if there is any presence of new equipment of new equipment. Okay, and the method of this validation will be conducting comprehensive initial validation tests to ensure that these CCP are effective before the full-scale implementation of the device, and the records will be the validation report with the data analysis. The responsibilities will be the food safety team or the external consultant or the external manufacturer or original origin equipment manufacturer. The ongoing validation after the implementation of this HACCP, so the frequency will be annually or based on the changes in process or equipment. The method will be periodic challenge test, monitoring reject rates, and review of new hazard information. The records will be the validation report with data analysis, okay, and also the rejection report or rejection log. The responsibilities will be the quality manager and the food safety team. Maybe also the validation process are included by the scientific studies. The frequency of this validation will be according to your SOP, either annually or based also in change in process and equipment. The methodology will be the reviewing of the scientific research or conduct in-house studies by your team, and the records will be these studies and research papers, and if there is any history from other factories in the food industries sector. The responsibilities will be the food safety team or external consultant. The expert consultation also the same as the scientific studies or are the same frequencies. Uh, this expert consultation will be done by the engagement of the food safety experts or orange juice processing professionals to validate our improvement CCPs and our performance of our CCPs controls. The documents will be the consultation report with the recommendations from these experts, and the responsibility we can add here the external consultation. Okay, the historical data analysis also you can review it on a quarterly or annually, and it is very important that there is an CCP and OPRB deviation report in your HACCP plan, must be included in your HACCP plan. The methods I will review the historical records of reject rates, hazard detection, and product quality compared with consumer complaints. The records will be the CCP report with analysis and trends, consumer complaints, reports and records, and the quality team and food safety team and production team are responsible for this detection. Finally, the CCP report, it means CCP deviation report, okay? Or report, but it's formal or the most companies are using CCP deviation report. And finally, the employee training records either every 6 months or according to your training plan. Maybe you make this training for this critical CCP. It will be, for example, every 2 months, every 3 months, whatever your plan according to the criticality and according to the issues between the labors and the device. They can't use the device, they can't check the device, because if you can remember here, when we have spoken about the establishing the corrective action, we have spoken about the how we are checking the device itself by the X-ray examination sticks or cards, because you are simulating that the device have seen or have detect a foreign object, and we are examining the device, shall it will stop the production or give you an alarm and reject the the physical hazard detected or the simulated physical hazard present in our sample and or in our challenge test sample. So your evidence from the records will be the internal review training records, and finally the responsibilities will be the quality supervisor, quality manager, and food safety team. By this way, guys, we have finished all the sorry. By this way, we have finished all the verification and the validation for your HACCP plan. We are going step by step. I have finished in the previous part or in the previous 40 videos or tutorials. We have started from creating a very simple HACCP plan, but in more deep details, practically how we can write the HACCP plan. And we have finished the first principle about the identifying the hazard. Second thing, identifying the critical control points, then establishing the critical limits, then number four, monitoring our CCPs, number five, establishing corrective action, and now number six, the verification and the validation. The next group, I will talk about the record keeping and documentation. And by this way, I have finished all these seven principles practically implemented in your HACCP plan. Best of luck of all of you, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And goodbye.